So that's one of your problems right there. Your hose is broken off. It's leaking coolant here. This is the hex T. This is the feeder hose, and it's shooting out of here. It's split here and split here. Your tank is cracked from the bottom. And I don't know if this line going down there, I gotta figure out this line where it's leading to. But that right there needs to be fixed. I just want to show you, man.